This is going to be a simple wreath for the front door. Actually, I'm going to put it on the back door of my house. And I basically bought a Dollar Tree wreath wireframe or form, wreath form. I bought a decorative nautical rope, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use that yet, but I do have that. I found this Happy Harvest truck. I think it's the back end of a truck. It's so cute. I also found one. I found a much larger one at Hobby Lobby that I have hanging in my kitchen, and that one's in blue. But this one is red and orange, and it was perfect for the wreath. So I'm going to try and work this into the wreath. And then I also have, I purchased 6 stems of various leaves and flowers, and I picked up this give thanks, gratitude, so forth ribbon, and this is what I'm intending to put together today as a project. So I'm going to get working on it, and we'll just see how it turns out. Okay, as you can see, I basically just took the wires. I stuck one section into each of the wire. The wire is broken into 6 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and within each one I stuck some flowers. And now I'm just going to just bend them all around.